Hey YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how I set my stops for close tolerance work on the Di-Acro Rod Parter. Alright, let's get to it. Alright guys, first thing you're going to want to do is take your part and put it against the die on the inside, run it in, and from there you can go ahead and cut it. And then what you want to do is you want to take your handle and move it just to about there. Okay, now you can take this piece and push it against the die. And we're going to go ahead and take this. We're going to move it in and tighten it. Okay. Now, what you want to do is take your material and you go ahead and come in and cut a piece and check your size. Okay, so I'm 10 thousandths under. Well, maybe 9. I'm 9 thousandths under 4 inches. So what we're going to want to do is we want to get a little closer than that. So let's go ahead, and what we're going to do is we're going to take a ring. You can buy these at the hardware store. It's 5/8 with a set screw. And what we're going to do is we're going to run this down. And what we're going to do is we're going to take okay. All right, so what I've done is I've taken some paper stock that's 10 thousandths, and I'm going to put that right against it. I'm going to tighten down the set screw. And what that does is when I loosen up the stop, I'll pull that paper out and I can move it out 10 thousandths, and then hopefully I should be within about 1,000th of where I want to be. So let's take my wrench and we'll loosen this up, pull that out, and I'm going to have to put this back in so I know where I'm at. Okay. Tighten it up right there. That should be it. And I'm within 3 thousandths, 2 thousandths, 2.5. So I could probably get it a little closer. So let's go ahead and we'll loosen this one up. And we'll take a piece of paper. And slide that paper in there. Tighten that up. Okay. We can loosen this. Pull that out. Make sure I didn't. Okay. Check our piece. Okay, it's within 1/1000th of an inch, so I'm good. Hey guys, if you like this video and want to see more of this content, please like and subscribe.